Alright, so we're in another beautiful community with another happy customer right at your doorstep.
Very much so.
First time shipping with us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, would you recommend us to anybody?
Yeah,
Awesome,
definitely.
awesome. And in that same breath, we're doing a March Madness promotion. So you see, if you know anybody that knows anybody that wants a shipping company, you can tell them to sign up with us. Once they sign up with us and send us their address, that it's you, we will definitely go ahead and give you a free, well, not one, but 3 free shipping coupons to offset some payments in the future.
Okay.
All right, and if you know any first responders like a police, soldier, a warder, okay, you know the warder, them always I forget about them. Them get a 10% lifetime discount with us. All right.
For real.
All right, so
So
we
what about
appreciate.
me? I am one.
You're one? Yes, you sign up. See that? See that? Look at that. Look at that. All right. So once you sign up, just upload your ID. Once that is uploaded, you will get a 10% lifetime discount shipping with us. All right.
Yep.
Were you able to apply that before, or you just knowing about it?
Just knowing about that.
So you see, even greater.